My name's Jonathan or Lelila. I am a retired church minister, but now I'm doing farming. Though farming has been part of my life, and we've been having big challenges when here at Embakasi. This place is called Embakasi, and getting fodder is a big problem. And therefore we've been hiring machines like tractors to mow and bale the grass, and unfortunately it's very expensive. Paying 90 shillings, 80 shillings per bale is a bit expensive. So even if you decide to sell the grass again, it becomes what you get is very minimal. Though I do baling for my own purposes, mainly because during drought, people run from place to place looking for grass. But especially this year, I didn't go anywhere because I had enough grass in my store. And thank God, because the rhino Baler did help me. And we have a lot of grass. But I did bale only this portion of land, because this portion was the only one which had grass.